everyone, so this is just a quick impromptu vlog of what 4 nights of meals looks like for us, plus snacks. So I just wanted to go through it quickly and show you, and as you can see by the thumbnail, the total was $56 and change. So for 4 nights, we're going to do 2 nights of salads and 2 nights of stir fry. And then I'll also point out what I got for snacks. So the carrots are snacks. Believe it or not, tomatoes are snacks. The black beans and the corn, we get the no salt added. I add salt later if it needs salt. This is for one of the nights of salads, and what we'll be doing with this is like a Southwest style. So that's what the corn and the black beans are for. And then Phil likes his generic LaCroix, or I don't know how you guys say it, but that's how I say it. These little guys, these little tomatoes are snacks. This coleslaw mix that I make without mayonnaise. Make a, if you want the recipe for this, let me know, but I make a vinegar and oil version of coleslaw. These green beans are snacks. The cilantro is for our Southwest style meal. The avocado is for the same meal, as is the lime. The asparagus you see here is for our stir fry meal, as is the mushrooms and these mushrooms. And these big bags are leafy greens for the salads. This bag of green peppers is for the stir fry meal. And I think that pretty much covers everything. I mean, we got all of this, and obviously this bag of onions. Onions are a great way to add tons of flavor, and what I love about onions is it's like one of the few produce that lasts forever. We put them in the fridge and they just last so long, and as you know, most produce doesn't last very long. So and these tomatoes are for our nights of salad. So that's what 4 nights of meals looks like, with including snacks. So let me know if you guys have any questions below, but hopefully this helps, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.